So today I want to go over the top 5 best unknown parks in Frisco, Texas, starting out with Limestone Quarry Park, located at 6300 Maltby Drive. So at first glance, this park looks the same with swings, slides, play structures, pavilions, but if you walk to the very back of the park and go down a little trail, you're going to come to a limestone quarry. So this place is so cool because it has cliffs and it has a waterfall, water runs through it, and just a pro tip, make sure you bring shoes that you can wear to get wet so that limestone doesn't chew up your feet. Next up is Bicentennial Park, and it's at 9349 Sunset Drive, and it's an older park, but it just went through a $2.5 million facelift, and it is tremendous for all kids alike, including this basketball court that we're looking at. So, not only does it have a couple of zip lines, a triple deck play structure, tall slides, elevated merry-go-round, but it has a really cool street hockey rink you gotta check out. Next up is Shepherd's Glen Spray Park, and it is located at 12012 Shepherd's Hill, and it checks all the boxes. You got a water park, terrific. You have pavilions, you have plenty of places to play for kids. It's just a great place in the summer to get out of that heat. Pro tip, to activate the water feature on the spray pad, make sure you click on the black sensor on the top blue pole located on the western side of the park. You gotta have to hold it in and it works the water feature. So next up is J.R. Newman Park and Splash Pad, and it's located at 841 Twin Falls Drive. And you get the best of both worlds on here because not only do you have a really well-maintained splash pad, you have basketball courts, but you also have what's called poems. It's a City of Frisco art piece that features a sidewalk with engravings of poems, easily read poems and all that, but you have tables, you have just a great area to vacation in the day. Last but not least, we have Vivian McCallum Park. And what's great about this park is it has 2 sets of playground equipment, one for bigger kids, one for little, but they kind of all go together. It has a great field out there to play soccer, fly a kite, has pavilions, a basketball court, and walking trails. So, if you have any more questions about parks in Frisco or anything else I could do for you, my name is John Wendell with Keller Realty here in Frisco, and I would love to help you in any way I can. Hope you have a fantastic week.